In this video, I will show you how to put a stop loss in Binance Futures, step by step, so you can protect your trade and limit your losses. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. I've already opened the Binance app, and once you're on the home screen, you need to tap on the Futures option to enter the Futures trading interface. After opening Futures, you need to place a trade first, because a stop loss can only be set on an active position. For this example, I'll choose a trading pair and open a position. Before entering the trade, you can adjust your leverage to a level you're comfortable with. In this case, I'll keep the leverage low to reduce risk. Once the leverage is set, I'll open a long position so the trade becomes active. After the trade is placed, you'll be able to see your open position in the Positions section at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can see the current price, entry price, and whether the trade is in profit or loss. If the price goes up, the trade is in profit, and if the price goes down, the trade goes into loss. Now, to protect the trade from falling too much, this is where the stop loss comes in. Under your open position, you'll see an option called TP/SL. Tap on that option. A new window will open where you can manage take profit and stop loss for your position. Select the Position TP/SL option. In this section, you'll see a field for stop loss. Here, you need to enter the price at which you want your trade to automatically close if the market moves against you. For example, if the current price is higher and you want your trade to close automatically when the price drops to a certain level, enter that price in the stop loss field. After entering the stop loss price, review the details shown on the screen. Binance will also show you the estimated maximum loss so you can clearly understand your risk before confirming. Once everything looks correct, tap on Confirm. Your stop loss will now be active. You'll be able to see it listed under Open Orders. When the market reaches the stop loss price you set, the trade will automatically close, and your loss will be limited to that amount. This helps prevent further losses if the market continues moving in the wrong direction. If you want to cancel or change the stop loss, you can go back to the Open Order section and cancel it at any time. You can use this same method for any coin and any open futures position. That's how you can put a stop loss in Binance Futures, step by step, to manage risk and trade more safely. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.